What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll review these performance socks. I would love to increase my performance by just wearing different socks, so I'm very excited about these. I will perform 3 tests to determine the performance of these socks compared to regular socks. A speed test, a strength test, and an agility test. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. Test number 1 is the speed test. I will run an all-out sprint from this marker to this marker. First, I will run it wearing regular socks. Here we go. I got all set up, ready to explode from the start line, and I let it rip with everything I had, all the speed I possessed in my body, and I finished strong at 7.5 seconds. In case you're not familiar with running, that is very impressive. Now let's switch over to the performance socks. And here we go again. Let's see what these socks can do. Same effort as last time, and I came in at 5 seconds. And here's the results for the speed test. The regular socks were 7.5 seconds, and the performance socks were 5 seconds. I cut a third off of my time. That's great. I rate these performance socks plus 10 speed. For test number 2, the strength test, we are back in the Rise of Iron gym. I have loaded the barbell up with 300 pounds for a deadlift test. The deadlift is arguably the king of all exercises. First, I will attempt the 300 pounds with the regular socks. I was able to grind out 1 rep. I definitely did not have a second rep in me. Now, let's switch over to the performance socks. With the performance socks equipped, I hope to get 2 reps. I will use all of my strength. Let's see what these socks can do. 1, good start. 2, reach my goal. 3, oh my. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 reps. And I could have done a few more. But I just got these socks today, on April 1st, and I don't want to use them up or ruin them on day 1. Here are the strength results. 1 rep with the regular socks, and 15 reps with the performance socks. That is a great performance increase. I rate these socks plus 20 for strength. Last is the agility test. I planned to do a backflip off the deck, then sprint to the pergola, then zigzag through the posts, and finish with a handstand sprint to the finish line. However, unfortunately, heavy fog rolled in. Then snow rolled in, and the weather conditions are not safe for this test. But it's okay, I have an alternate agility test. With the regular socks on, I can blink this fast. That's very impressive. Now, with the performance socks on, I can blink this fast. I can't even count the blinks. I would say the agility results are: the regular socks are impressive, and the performance socks are unprecedented. I give them a plus 30 for agility. So, that concludes the April Fool's Day performance socks tests. They earned a plus 10 for speed, a plus 20 for strength, and a plus 30 for agility. I definitely recommend them. As always, thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful or entertaining. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.